morning. I will introduce our ENC production system. The content is publishing system of ENC and present condition of ENC. This is our work procedure for producing ENC and paper chart. Some of here we have the Caris hydrographic production database we use. Since 2008, we introduced the Caris hydrographic production database. So maybe all here the participants in many hydrographic office have a collect data from the survey and then basic compilation for the field sheet chart. In this stage, our survey division, they have more than 2 quality control steps. One conducted in our office, and second, we have a third-party contractor, which is Hydrographic and Oceanographic Association. They quality control for the hydrographic data, and after that, the data come into our office. And then the chart compiler, they review the result of the data, survey data, which is including the document, report, and then metadata, and some pictures. All of that, our compiler review, and also we at that time we compile a basic chart, which is just focus on the bathymetric data, the sounding and contour. The other things like the lighthouse, or got some rules for the navigation, like a fairway, something like that. We doesn't worry about on this stage. First stage, we just focus on the sounding data and then contour on the survey field sheet chart. So we compile sounding and contour, and then review it, and then look into the hydrographic. Go into our database. In the hydrographic database HPD, we compile and chart based on the S57 data model. In this process, we have 2 quality control. One, which is carried out in our office. The second is we also using the third-party contractor for quality check for the production. This is a workflow, as I briefly introduced. As I know that a little bit differences that we have many quality control steps. So also as well as we are using the third party contractor for checking our data. This is, I think, that a little bit different in your case. Our chart, and then nautical chart, which is paper chart, the more than 400 series, and then ENC, and then we have 300 ENCs based on the paper chart. And then since 2008, we developed a seamless ENC, which is regular size. So since that, we released the ENC, which is based on rectangular scale, rectangular size. This is quite different based on the paper. So now we have more than 400 cells, which is based on a regular size. Also, we produce a weekly notice to mariner, the annual nautical almanac, and rights of list and tide predictions. And also, we have more than 10 nautical publications. I don't know you can see this diagram. Is a band 1. On our database, we have 6 band. Band 1 is overview, as it covered all the EAHC region, and band 2 and general chart is around Korea, and band 3 is coastal chart, and band 4 the scale is 50,000, band 5 and 20,000 scale harbor, and band 6 berthing chart. This band 6 scale is 1 to 5,000. This band this is a plan. Now we have 150 cells in band 6. So our plan, we covered all this dark blue area. This is our charting room. Only in this charting room can access to our database. Thank you. So thank you very much. If you have any questions or anything, no? Yeah.
For the HPD,
yeah.
HPD, right? This database produced by your own office.
Yeah. And we use that, but our contractor, yeah, they also use our HPD. But when you access the database, they have to visit our office. It's not allowed to access outside of our building.
Do you have a future plan to market your HPD like garage?
No. We have investigate to possibility, which is access to our database outside of our building. So they have some virtual, I'm not sure the name, virtual some system. Yeah. Because our contractors compile more than 30 steps. They like to access the outside of our building. Now they within our office work for our production. Yeah.
So you use HPD
Yeah.
to maintain your ENC as well as your paper chart.
Yeah.
So my question
Mm,
Wait, can you, or Young, can you repeat the question? It's hard to hear over here.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'm old.
No, it's okay.
Okay, my question is your ENC similar to your paper chart?
ENC is similar. Yeah.
Yeah, like coverage, the features in the ENC similar to the features in your paper chart. Because for Singapore, our ENC is converted from the paper chart. So paper chart and ENC are very similar.
Yeah.
Because you are going to
Paper
produce
chart
a harbor.
Yeah.
Some people use.
Thank you. So now our ENC is different with the paper chart. As I already mentioned, that we are introduced the seamless ENC. If it is a regular rectangular size, so you know the paper, the coverage is a little bit focused on the main route of the navigation. But the ENC is a database, not only for the navigation. So we are designed for the regular size ENC. So the coverage of ENC is quite different of the paper chart.
But, okay. Because we are still maintain ENC and paper chart similar. Because for the active user, most of the active user use paper chart as a backup. Perhaps Dr. Lee can...
Yeah.
Brings up an important point. If there are advantages and disadvantages of making an ENC cell equivalent to the same coverage as a paper chart. If the ENC cell is not available or becomes corrupted or you have a problem, how is the mirror to know what paper chart is equivalent to that ENC coverage?
Yeah.
And if there are different types of bands, navigational purposes for ENC cells, how do you know which ones you have to cover a particular given area? In some respects, what Lin Wei is bringing up is a limitation for mariners now having to rely solely on ENCs as the primary means for navigation, not just on optional means. So what he brings up is really important.
Because we also consider to produce the burning chart using the multi-beam survey data with 1 meter depth contour. But we check with the active user, we face this challenge.
Okay,
so we
I
are
see.
still, not doing this. Perhaps we like to share.
Yeah. Sure. So for the balancing berthing chart, we have also the same contents, not for the same size, same contents with the paper chart. Paper chart, they cover those area. Only different thing is that ENCs have the more detailed data compared to the paper chart. Paper chart at the minimum for the navigation, but the ENC data, we could load into the more data.
But Young, aren't most ENCs produced by digitizing paper charts, existing paper charts?
Now we are transition time, so some part from the paper chart still, but the other part, first we compile on the S57 data. After that, we produce paper chart as the direction of the compile process as a reverse.
I think by using the seamless ENC, you can avoid problem when you make clipping, because when you already you make the border for the seamless ENC, so you don't need to worry about the clipping issue. Between the two ENC may overlap.
Okay. English is my primary language. And when people say things like seamless ENC, what does it really mean?
I prefer use without ENC.
A seamless ENC navigational bands, are there not? So it's seamless in terms of use, not seamless in terms of production. So calling something seamless, in many respects, creates confusion. What is meant by seamless? And I'll give you an example. There are 6 different types of ENC cells up there. Each one of those cells has a distinct cell boundary. So what is meant by seamless? You see my point? Now, I don't mean to be critical or difficult. It's a good concept. Seamless to the user. As you go to a smaller scale, you will use a different navigational purpose. As you zoom in to a larger scale, it will tell you what ENC navigation purpose is available. This is good. If you look at Google Map or Google Earth, from the user point of view, it looks to be seamless. But from a production point of view, that's many, many different types of data all put together.
Yeah, for Finland, so for us, because our water is limited, we may be able to do that based on the soft data. However, I think there is a computer limitation because for Singapore, if you want to produce a seamless ENC, you need software and hardware to overcome the bottleneck. So impossible for us.
I would support what Lin Wei just said, that seamless is a good concept in practice, that as you transition from one cell boundary to the next, you don't see differences in display. You don't have differences in the type of how data was compiled. This is particularly useful when you go from different ENC coverage areas, say from Singapore to Indonesia or Malaysia, in the Straits of Malacca. But to achieve this is a challenge.
Our price is similar. So Singapore, you buy, it's only one price.
In Korea, around 2006, the ENC is compiled from the paper chart. So when encoding the ENC data, all the data doesn't match between the cell. That is one big problem in the office. That's why we are considering to design the rectangular size. It's not only for the size, the contents. We try to make one scale data. Each band 1, band 5, for example, the band 5, there are a range of the scale. It's not only one scale. That's the concept. But our concept is one band, one scale. That's the ideal concept to.
Is it possible?
Yeah, the band 6, 5, 4, we could possible to. Band 4 is a 75 scale. Band 5, 50 scale, 25 scale. Band 6 is 5,000 scale.
This will be compilation scale.
Yeah, compilation scale. So within one cell, all data is a same, and they have a same scale data. Now the ENC one cell, some part, the 1,000 from the paper chart, the other part 5,000 from paper chart, the other side 20,000 for the paper chart. That is the status of now.
Yeah, but how do you call that seamless then?
Yeah. Yeah.
I say I prefer to call gridded ENC.
You call it what?
Gridded. Because it's too like gridded.
Gridded?
Yeah.
Gridded ENC.
On the production side, yes. On the user side,
No.
nobody wants to see it
Yeah.
gridded. From a mariner's perspective, what we're really looking for is best available information smaller scale. On the other hand, if you're doing maneuvering and docking as you come into a berth, like here at Busan, if you have 1 to 1,000 scale for a particular terminal facility, great. It doesn't have to be limited to just one scale.
Yeah.
That sounds like a sermon, but that's the whole best available data at the largest compilation scale possible.
But I know that before that, in the band 5 south, they contain band 6 data. But we split. Yeah. So maybe on the Mariner side, they can see on the screen band 5, and then they want to see the more detail, a little bit zoom, and then band 6 data come up.
My guess is they don't want to see the band, to see the cell boundary or the...
Yeah.
What they really want to know is, if I go to a larger scale, will I be provided better information, or is it just showing this at a larger scale? But that's a challenge.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway.
Yeah, one other quick question, just that I seem to be monopolizing this discussion. For each of the presentations we have during this week, there'll be a presentation, a lecture, if you will, and then discussion afterwards?
Yeah.
Similar to this?
Yeah.
In some respects, it's always useful to go back through the presentation and then to pick out certain things to make sure that it's clear to everyone. Is this something that you would like to do? I know I would.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Maybe.
Can you go back, maybe not to your title slide, but just I'll show you, for instance. Can you go back to the beginning? Yeah, okay. Oh, stop right there.
Yep. So.
Yeah, right there. This is good. All right. What you basically have, I think, you're outlining the steps or the process.
Yeah.
Or the sequence of actions, right?
Yeah.
Everything from basic compilation of data, and as I mentioned, most of this, by most hydrographic offices, is done by digitizing existing paper charts.
Yeah.
There will be some new results of, say, new surveys, multi-beam or whatever to be brought in, but most of this is still for paper charts. Okay, so then you have the source database, which is produced from this. Then you have the product database. You have different inspection things in between. This slide is quite useful for the entire week because it could be asked, what's going to change with S100 or S101? Will it be the same basic process? What will change? Will anything change? And if so, what? So this, I think, almost for any hydrographic office, everyone can look at this and say, that's pretty much the process we use. Maybe some refinements, but pretty much the process we use. Okay. So that slide, this first slide you showed, can become the basis for other discussion during the week when we can go back and say, all right, now we're talking about different types of products, not just ENCs. We're talking about in the future bathymetric, time-varying data, other types of supplement, same type of thing. Okay, go to your next slide. Okay, you just go. Okay, now here we go. This is a classic slide in that if any type of hydrographic office, there are 3 basic steps. Conduct the surveys, create a database, produce products and services. Everything else is details. See the ENCs in the paper charts? Well, the paper charts are the source of the data for many ENCs, but there'll be surveys in the future. There has to be a quality control process before you now produce, in this case it's CARIS, Hydrographic Product Database. again, you can ask, well, what's going to change for S100 or S101? Will it be the same? Keep going, Young, if you don't mind. Okay, there are some of the other products and services. Leisure Notice to Mariners, Nautical Almanac, List of Life. All of these will ultimately be accommodated in the S100 family of standards. Keep going. And now we get to our last one. So the point I'm trying to make is each presentation that occurs this week ideally ought to relate back to a previous one, ought to build or further explain or expand. But if there is something different than what we've talked about before, we have to make sure we clarify this. For instance, he didn't talk at all about what will be the impact of e-navigation. We'll do that later